Wait, you didn't even go over the numbers, D. All right, this one was the house with the fleas. Finally done with it.
Finally done with it.
We painted the floors too. Painted the walls, painted the trim. So we put new flooring in this room. New flooring in this room. New flooring in the bathroom. We also painted these floors. We also had to pay the exterminator twice to get the fleas off. And all the roaches out.
You did a good job cleaning the refrigerator. That's a job.
That was a good job. Yeah, good job, D.
He did a job.
Who did that?
Big D.
Big D? You did? Or Junior did?
I did.
Put on the nice backsplash. And this is what they look like actually.
By the way, well, you can see it on the wall.
Yeah, it's a little thin sheet.
Yeah, but it does the job. Keep the grease off.
Does the job. That's all that matters.
It does the job.
I clean the refrigerator. I clean the refrigerator. I clean this. I clean the store. I clean all the front. Everything is spotless.
Let's see if you clean inside the cabinet. Ah, it looks a little better.
It looks a lot better.
I'm painting the outside.
Great, Joe. Much better.
Scraped all the top right here.
Yeah, that looks great.
Dennis did this without me asking.
New railings.
Oh yeah, new railings.
Railings in.
Yeah, look at that job by Dennis.
All that.
Did a good job on that one. New front painting. This is what screws you in real estate, is the turnover. And we got a couple more turnovers coming up, don't we, Dennis? Just small stuff like that adds up.
Yeah.
So what do we spend total on it, D?
Oh, when you with this paint job, it's gonna be about 5,000. 5,000.
5 G's.
Yep.
This guy's gonna come over for some money.
Yeah.
I think I owe him $20.